Smoky Fox Eye. Chef's kiss. So so sensual, so sexy, and that's never been me. So let's try it. No, seriously, I had to show this one too. Like, look at that. Look at that bombshell. I tried to slick my hair back to get that sophisticated look, and I am not serving Why Is She So Dusty. I'm gonna use the Kylie Classic Matte palette. Do not sleep on this palette, guys. When I tell you, the pigment is amazing, the blend is amazing, and it's the perfect travel palette. If you're not getting a smooth blend of the brow bone, you're probably not setting under your brows with either a setting powder or a nude tone shadow. So we're using the shade Base. I want to keep this look really neutral, so we're mixing a little bit of nude and shadow. And I'm focusing this on the outer corner, building it up and drawing it out a little bit as well. We want to blend lightest to darkest because I want this to be soft, not as bold. Let's deepen the outer corner using chocolate and shadow. So now I'm going to set my lid with a little bit of natural and base mix. I like to use my finger so it packs on a little bit better. I like to take a really fine angled brush. I wet it a little bit, and I'm going into Sable, which is a really nice soft black. We're going to do a wing. Because we're elongating the eye, I like to draw out more than up. Using shadow instead of a liquid liner gives you that really nice soft smoky liner, which is what we're going for, a very gorgeous smoky fox eye. I'm going to go back in with shade Chocolate, and I'm just going to lightly blend along the liner right in the front half. You can see I stopped about halfway so that it doesn't round the eyes back out. As much as I want it to be all matte, I do need a little glow in the inner corner, so the Jaclyn Hill Ice highlight right here in the inner corner, I like to drag up just a little bit. And this wouldn't be a fox eye if we didn't put liner in the inner corner. So we could stop here, but we want it to be a little more smoky, and so I'm going to line my top waterline. We're going to line a little bit on the bottom outer 3/4. This is my Kylie liner that I have used to the very end of her life because she is fantastic. It does not move, bulletproof. We're gonna lightly smoke that out with a tiny pointed brush. We're almost done, I promise. You know what Lynn's makeup looks always says?
You don't look weird with eyeshadow under your eye, you're just not used to it.
Same shades as earlier, lightest to darkest. The Kylash mascara. Unreal. And it wouldn't be a fox eye if we didn't do a half lash with a flare. Let's finish with a lip. Cocoa Precision Pout Lip Liner. Perfect chocolate brown. Kylie Matte Bullet Lipstick in shade Kylie. Here's the final look. I feel like this is perfect for wedding makeup. I'm trying to give the sensual eyes. That's just not who I am. I'm too goofy. Mine has less black. Is it giving Kylie? Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!